Okay, we are looking at your English Ones page now. And I've got my baby with me, so don't let him distract you if you hear him talking. Okay, so we are going to be comparing numbers with greater than, less than, equal to symbols. Alright? So let's look over here at the top first. You can use less than to show that a number is less than another number. You can use greater than to show that a number is greater than another number. You can use equal to show that a number is equal to another number. So let's look right here. 43 is less than 52. You can trace that to show less than. Now let's look over here. What does a flat represent? A flat represents 100. That's right. Okay? What does this number, what number is represented by these longs in units? Let's count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. So we have 75 here. Okay? Which one is greater, 100 or 75? 100 is greater, that's right. So our alligator mouth has to open up and chomp, chomp, chomp the 100. Now we're going to write the words. 100 is greater than, see those words that say greater than? 100 is greater than 75. Trace the letters. Okay, when you're done tracing the letters, we're going to look down here at number 1. You need to write a greater than, less than, or equal to sign in the circle to compare these numbers. Now, if you need to look at the longs and units to help you compare these numbers, you can. You know that a flat is greater than a long. Okay, so 94 or 100. Will the alligator sign eat the 94 or the 100? You write it. Okay, now I want you to click pause on this video, and I want you to do this one and this one by yourself. When you're ready to move on, go ahead and push play, and we'll go to the next page. Okay, we're going to the next page now. Alright, now we're looking at 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 45 and 50. Now, on every single one of these numbers, since there's not a picture of longs and units, I want you to do this. Under every single number, I want you to draw a long and a unit. A long and a unit. Do it with me. Long, unit. Long, unit. Long, unit. Long, unit, long, unit, long, unit. There we go. So now when we're comparing these numbers, we can see that this number has 0 units. This number has 5 units. This number has 4 longs. This number has 5 longs. So if we know that this number has 5 longs and this number only has 4 longs, that this number is greater, and the alligator mouth is going to want to eat the bigger number. Okay, now push pause on the video and do 4, 5, 6, and 7. When you're ready to move on, I want you to push play. Okay, now we're ready, and we'll do 7, 8, and 9. So it says, choose the sentence that is true. Look at the numbers. This says 13 is greater than 30, 38 is greater than 30, 38 is equal to 30, or 30 is greater than 38. So you need to bubble in the answer that is true. Because I'm going to give you an example. 38 is not equal to 30, so we already know that one can't be right. Okay, you need to look at all of these, and there's only one answer that is correct. You need you to push pause on your video now. Push pause on your video and push play when you're ready to move on to 10 and 11. Okay, number 10. Solve the problem, then write Greater than, less than, or equal to compare the numbers. Max collects 33 gray rocks at the beach. Josh collects 18 white rocks at the beach. Who has more rocks? So Max has 33 and Josh has 18. Who has more rocks? Tell me out loud. That's right, Max has more rocks because he has 33. And we know it's more because there are 3 10s in the number 33 and 18 only has 1 10 in the number 18. So fill in the symbol that goes in the circle to compare them. Greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay? Now we're going over here. Choose 2 numbers. Write 2 different sentences to compare the numbers. Use is greater than, this phrase, or is less than, or is equal to, then use the symbols to compare them. Okay? So you need to choose 2 numbers. You can choose 48 and 13. You can choose 50 and 100. You can choose any numbers you can think of. And you need to write them where the number is here, and then you write is greater than or is less than, and then below it, you write the number like this. Like if you were doing the numbers 50 and 100, 50 and 100. Now the 2 ways you're going to write these numbers is you're going to write it is less than, and then you write the symbol. Okay? Do not pick 50 and 100. You are not doing my numbers, you're doing your numbers. You can choose any numbers you want that have 2 digits. Okay? When you're finished, you can work on this packet some more, or you can go to Reflex or Freckle.